guys, this is my bumper. Sanded it, primered it. Gray primer. And I sanded it with, let's see here, I used the smooth and the blend. And I wet sanded it with them. So I just rinsed it off. I'm gonna dry it, and after it's dry for about 10 minutes, I'm gonna paint it and see what it looks like. But it came out super smooth and it's awesome. Guys, I did 2 coats of the silver paint. So after this, I'll do the clear. After this dries, do 2 or 3 coats with clear. Alright you guys, it's time to put the clear on. I'm going to do 2 or 3 coats, and then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Alright, I did 2 coats of clear, and it's dried for about 30 minutes. Now I'm going to probably wet sand it or buff it. Let's see. Choose to do, and I'll let you guys know. Alright you guys, I believe I'm going to polish it. So polish, clear coat, and restore shine. So I'm gonna wet polish it with some water and Windex that I have here that I mixed together, half and half, and see what it looks like after that, and I'll show you guys. Alright you guys, I wet sanded it. I rinsed it off with the hose, and then I dried it off with the rag. I don't know if you guys can even tell how good it is or not, but now that I did that, last step is to add, let me see here, this rubbing compound. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Alright you guys, I'm done. I'll put it on the car. This is what it looks like. So the whole car is gonna be either this color, I'm thinking, pretty sure. I'm gonna drive it like this for a while, see if I like it. I'm gonna do it panel at a time. That way it looks legit. You guys can see how it looks really good. It's really soft, smooth. So, if you guys are new, subscribe, appreciate it, comment down below what you guys think. This is my first time painting a car, so I think I did pretty good for the first time. Thanks for watching.